In this video, I will reveal the 3 brand new free apps that will literally pay you PayPal money. Hello everyone, welcome to this exciting new money making video. I'm Lucy from Online Income Success, and today I'm going to show you how to make money online today and in 2021 just by using your Android phone or your iOS device, and if you like you can also use your computer. Remember that results are not typical, and it is very important you follow along with every second of this video to make this method work for you, because in less than 10 minutes you will be able to earn free PayPal money from 3 unrevealed apps. And by watching this video you'll learn exactly how to make some good extra PayPal cash without leaving your home. You will also be getting tips to increment your earnings while using these 3 apps. So don't skip any part of this video. And for only those of you who stay until the end of this video, I'm gonna give you a very special bonus revealing this one app that pays you literally to do nothing. Yes, you will start to receive a sweet passive income stream today. So make sure you watch all the way until the end of this video. But before we actually get into this, if you like making money online, then make sure you go below this video and click on that red subscribe button, then tap the notification bell, because we provide every single week the best videos on how to make money online. And also remember to drop a like on this video as well if you enjoyed this content. With all that done, let's jump into our 3 apps that pay you free PayPal money. And of course, you will be needing a PayPal account to get paid by these apps. So if you don't have a PayPal account yet, you will need to create one. And if you like, once you finish watching this video, you can go to the description box below where I will leave you a link to a step-by-step tutorial to create and configure a PayPal account to receive all of your payments completely for free. Now let's move forward to the first app right over here. I will be showing you apps rating from the lowest paying to the highest paying, so make sure you watch all the way through. And although this first app is the lowest paying one, it's definitely one that you want to get started with because of how simple and easy it is to get paid with it. And if you have an Android phone, you can also play games here, so it is a really fun way to make money. So this all-in-one app is called Feature Points. Feature Points is a 100% free app that you can use to make money by completing different easy tasks. And the best part is that it is available worldwide. So no matter where you are, you can make money with this app. And they also have many different ways for you to cash out as well. As you see, they have paid over $5 million since 2012. So if you got a couple of minutes of spare time, there are 7 ways you can make money with Feature Points. One of the ways is by winning instant contests. You can also complete surveys. You can also earn cash back. So all you gotta do is shop at your favorite stores and earn hundreds of dollars in cashback with Feature Points. So this cashback option is perfect if you need to buy a gift, then just simply do it through Feature Points to start making money right away. You can also download apps and try free games to earn points. You can just try an app for a few minutes and then you'll be credited, and you can actually delete it afterwards. Finally, you can also share this money making option with your friends and earn money. You will get paid up to 50% every time your friends earn points for life. And when you earn enough points, you can redeem them through gift cards including Amazon, PayPal, App Store, Xbox, PlayStation, Starbucks, and there is also the option to earn Bitcoin. So currently they have about 35 gift card options. Now on Google Play, Feature Points has a 4.1 out of 5 star rating with over 117,000 reviews. And it has a 4.3 out of a 5-star rating for iOS with over 2,000 ratings. Now, if you're wondering how much money you can make from Feature Points, the truth is it depends on how you use it. If you download apps, do surveys and things like that, you could make from $20 to $30 per month. Now, if you also start inviting everyone you know, then you could make $100 to $200 per month. So if you're interested in making fast, simple money with this app, then you can start by coming over to their official website at featurepoints.com. You can simply scroll down to the description box below this video, click on Show More, and then find and click on the link below the text where it says Get Free PayPal Money Here. That link will take you directly to this page and will give you 50 free points to get a head start on cashing out. Otherwise, you'll start with 0 points. And just to let you know, this is a referral link, so I will be getting rewarded if you sign up through my link. And I will show you how you can also earn money by telling your family and friends about this easy way to make money online. So stay tuned for that. So you can access this Survey site and follow this process from any device, whether it's your laptop, your iOS mobile phone, or your Android phone. I'm going to show you everything from my computer because it's easier for me, but this works perfectly on any device you want to use. Now, the fastest way to sign up for Feature Points is actually to click on the Sign Up or Login button on the top right corner. This will take you to the sign up form. Now you can simply sign up by entering your best email address right on this box and then check on I am not a robot and click on the continue button. Or an even simpler way to sign up to Feature Points is by clicking on any of these three buttons to sign up with your Apple account or with your Facebook account or with your Google account. For this example, I'm going to enter my email address right on this box and check on I'm not a robot. Select the tractors right here, click on verify and click on continue. Now let's just create a password, then confirm it underneath. Let's enter your first and your last name and click on sign up. Okay, so we're now taken to the privacy policy page. Now you can read through all of Feature Points rules and then finally click on agree and continue. Now all you gotta do is complete these short profile questions and you will even earn 10 points for doing this. Finally, click on continue. Now you can choose to accept your first reward for $5 in PayPal money and then click on continue. Now we've arrived at our Feature Points dashboard and we've already gained 60 points. Now remember that our first step to be able to cash out our earnings is to confirm the email address you entered. Now on the left side menu beneath Earn Points, you'll find all the different ways in which you can make money here. As we mentioned before, you get surveys, offers. You can also earn cash back on all of these top stores. You can click here to view more stores. So for every purchase you make on any of these stores, you will get a percentage that's right on this green circle of the amount of dollars you paid for the products. You can also click on win and earn up to 63,000 points every day on different contests. Another way to earn money with Feature Points is by trying free apps. And last, you can also share this make money online method with your friends and family and earn up to 50% of the points that your friends will earn for life. Finally, when you have enough points to spend, you can choose to redeem them in gift cards, in cash, and there is also the option to earn in Bitcoin. Now, for many of you guys, this may not seem much money, but it will start to add up, especially if you use it together with the next two apps that I picked just for you. So our second app that you can use to maximize your earnings is called Surveys on the Go. So Surveys on the Go, it's a mobile market research tool that pays users for their opinions. And the best thing about this app is that you aren't gonna get long surveys. You'll be answering just quick, little simple questions and then they'll pay you for your answers. This is why it has over 2.5 million downloads already, and in a minute I will show you how people are loving it. As you see here, with this lifestyle survey app, you can get paid $20 for example for a 2-minute survey. And then you can get paid $7 for a lifestyle survey, and then we have another survey that pays $15 for a product evaluation. And you will be able to cash out with PayPal or by applying your earnings to a virtual Visa account, Amazon gift card, or a Starbucks gift card. So to start earning this free PayPal money, you come over to their website at surveysonthego.com. You can also find the direct link to the site down in the description of this video. Once you're here, just download it on either your iPhone or your Android device. Now on the App Store, it has a 4.7 star rating with over 39,000 ratings. And if we scroll down a bit and click on more, we can see how the users are loving the app and getting paid just for answering simple questions. Now, on the Google Play Store, it also has a great 4.5 rating with over 81,000 reviews. So as you see, this is a real 100% legit way to make some extra cash from your phone. For now, Surveys on the Go is only available for people inside the United States. But we still have the best app coming up next, and this bonus passive income app is available worldwide. So absolutely everyone can use it. But before we continue, I hope you're finding this video useful, and if you are, if you haven't already, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to get more tips, tools and tutorials for building your real and successful internet income. In other words, subscribe if you like money. And also hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know every time we upload a new video on how to make money online. Okay, now let's get back into this video. Alright, we have arrived at our last bonus app specially selected for all you guys who stayed until the end. It's called Cash Magnet. What I love the most about this amazing app is that there isn't any type of service to complete, tax to do, or offers to fill out. Cash Magnet works all on its own in the background of your phone, and you will earn money when you're not using your phone. As you see here, Cash Magnet will pay you for every minute while you do nothing. So, with this app, you don't need to perform tasks, watch ads, or play games. Earnings will come in an absolutely autonomous and passive mode. So all you gotta do is install this app on your Android phone, leave it running, and always be connected to the internet. Then, the app will browse sites, click on banners, view advertising, and install games and apps automatically. Yes, it works all by itself. Basically, Cash Magnet has a bot to get traffic to advertisers. This is how the app generates its revenue and is able to pay its users. You can even have the app installed on 1 to 4 phones under the same account to make the most amount of money possible. And while Cash Magnet is working, you will earn points every 5 minutes. The best thing about this app is that it's completely secure and free for you to use. And the second best thing is that you only need to gain $1 for Cash Magnet to pay you free PayPal money. Now, to start getting this passive income money, you just grab your Android phone and go to their website at cashmagnetapp.com. And there's also a link you can find in the description box below this video. Once you're on this website, you simply click this download link and follow the installation process to then create an account. The longer you leave the app running on your phone, the more money you will make. Cash Magnet has said it is possible to earn around $15 a month from just one phone. Now, if you're using 4 phones, your earnings will add up to $60 for each and every month. But wait, if you want to make even more PayPal money from the comfort of your phone, then click and watch this next video right here to discover a free app that pays PayPal money instantly. Yes, click here to earn PayPal cash in less than 10 minutes. Remember, be different, take action. With that being said, thank you for watching and see you on the next video.